Pies of many shapes. Yeah, this is how fish pies was done in the 80s. Yeah, this is my mom. She is going to show us today how to make fish pie in the 80s. She's a caterer, by the way. She bakes a lot, and all these fries, she does it so much. So I didn't start making this video earlier. At a point I decided, let me just grab this video because it's interesting to have it recorded and share with some of you, and for me as well. So in the bowl, she have Irish potato, fresh tomato, and she's deboning mackerel fish to add in it. Here is flour. We got one big derica of flour, and she used almost all of them. Inside the bowl of flour, she will be adding some salt. Yes, she used baking powder and also yeast to prepare this. So baking powder and yeast went in here. Now she's going to add in the king's butter. She'll be adding half of it. She didn't add all of them. And in the small plate there, what you're seeing there is ginger water. Yes, she also got some juice from the ginger, and now she will be adding milk flavor. She wanted to add 1 spoon, and I said, please mommy, add all of them because the flour in the bowl or in the basin is enough. So she's adding sugar now, and here she's adding the baking powder as I said before. Here is the ginger water. Yes, and next is the oil. She's adding oil, and she said that the oil you have to use for this recipe must be the one that had been used for frying. Okay, we are learning. So she's just going to mix everything very thoroughly to combine together. Okay, at this point she added the yeast. Yeah, and now she wants to pour in the ginger water or the liquid that is of ginger. It's very necessary for this recipe as well. In fact, everything that went in here, the pie was very yummy, I tell you. Yes, so she's going to mix or continue mixing. At this point I will be adding water for her, and this water have to be gauged. Once it's enough, she will just ask me to stop. The most interesting part of this recipe is that it doesn't have measurement. Yes, you have to be a pro to do this without measurement, and it enters. I mean, it is given. The pie was given at the end of the recipe. Yes, so at this point she says it's okay, and I was like, how are you going to mold this? Because for me this dough is still strong, but for her it's the perfect dough texture. And here in the 80s, who dash you molar? You have to use bottle now. Even when I was growing up, I remember using bottle to nail. And it was very interesting. Now she's going to add in the tomato, potato, onions, and fish. She will gently fold in each dough or in each dough that she makes. She will use fork as usual as we do it now to give it that beautiful pie shape. And that is it. One thing about this recipe is that it requires effort. When I mean effort, nailing that dough is not a small pikin business. So this is very hard work, but it's worth it. It's worth it. She will go ahead and nail this and fold in everything in it, and that is it. Here we are measuring it. Remember, no measurement. You use your hand or your sense to know a perfect size. So that is it. Look at everything is getting ready. And for this fish pie, I will be frying some, and I will take some to the oven. Let me just see the different taste of it. Yes, thank you so much. If you're still here watching, I really appreciate it. Thank you for coming in. And if you are here new for the first time, I also appreciate. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you have not done so. Let's keep watching, please. So here they are very much ready. Yeah, these ones will be for frying, and these ones will be going in the oven. There is something that happened. At least I had this brush at home. My mommy was like, why are you using that brush? Use your hand. Just make sure your hands are clean. Rub the egg on top of it with your hands. And I say, hey, mommy, please now. She did not agree. So it was by force by fire that I used the brush to brush the egg. She's okay. This one is not bad. I will allow you to do that. But the next time, I told her, not next time. Those days you use your hand. Now we have brush. We have so many things, but she insisted on making it her way. Yeah, look at it. These are the ones that are to be fried, and they are really frying nice. Yeah, just go in throwing them in the oil little by little. Don't allow it to split on you, the hot oil. And some of them are already fried, as you can see. They are fried, and the ones that were fried were so yummy. I really enjoyed the fried one. So this is how they came out, so nice, and everything that was inside it was very sufficient. And this was the one that was baked. It was beautiful too and so nice. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.